Waar blijf Duurzaamheid is noodzaak. Really sorry about my Dutch pronunciation, but what I'm trying to say is, where are you? Sustainable enterprise is a necessity. And that's what this seminar is about, really talking about time for action is now. My name is Pia Heidenmark Cook, and on the 27th of November, I'll be sharing my experience and learnings from my time as CSO, Chief Sustainability Officer at IKEA, but I will also touch upon learnings from a lot of companies that I've been working with since leaving. And I'll talk a lot about things and obstacles we ran into and how we overcame them and really started the change journey. And during this seminar, I'll try to give you useful tips that you can easily implement in your business. So see you at the Bolidt Innovation Center on the 27th of November. Looking forward to meeting you there.